it's Mr. Berdis here. Do you have a gazebo or a canopy with a canvas top, and when it rains it sags in places and puddles water? I'm going to show you a quick and easy fix. Take you a couple of seconds. Go buy yourself some pipe insulation at any hardware store, and you can get different sizes, and then you can cut it to go in between if you get mosquito netting up like I do. And what you're going to do is you're just going to cut off pieces. And you're going to take that piece and you're going to go ahead and you can open it up. This particular brand, actually you can take this yellow piece off and actually glue it together. I'm just going to wrap it around, and you can put it in multiple places on the uppers and up along here to tighten it up, or you can put it on the base here like I have this piece here. All you do is just take your piece, wrap it around, and go around your whole canopy and do that, and it's very cost effective, a couple of dollars in a couple of minutes, and that'll tighten up your canopy and keep it from sagging when it rains. Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.